As it is getting hotter, my clothes are getting shorter and looser. I am wearing this breezy circle dress I made last year. It's basically air conditioning in fabric form. If you want to twirl your way through the heat too, I have linked the tutorial in the description. And to truly beat the heat, we are making watermelon feta salad for breakfast. Because hydration and cheese before 10 am, that's peak self-care.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine.
So I have been watching the Martian movie, the one where Matt Damon gets accidentally left behind on Mars, like someone forgetting their charger at their friend's place. But instead of panicking like a normal human, he decides to science the shit out of it. He literally becomes the first Martian farmer casually growing potatoes in poop soil like it's just another day. Meanwhile, I can't even keep my fiddle fig plant alive here on Earth. This movie is basically a masterclass in survival, science and sarcasm. 10 on 10 recommended if you want to feel both inspired and personally attacked by your complete lack of survival instincts. For a change, I'm not making clothes today. Instead, I'm converting this laundry bag I accidentally picked up from a hotel. Because my middle class soul refuses to leave behind anything that looks remotely usable. Since the bag was lengthier than my patience on a Monday morning, I chopped it off. The leftover fabric? Oh, that's gonna become the straps. For the lining, I'm using an old pillow cover that had a mysterious stain. And then I cut out the pillow cover and the laundry bag to match the same size. And because I refuse to walk around with laundry screaming from my tote, I'm gonna slap on a patch made from an old jeans. We are going from hotel freebie to Pinterest worthy real quick. Now I'm gonna sew this patch. I also had some pockets lying around from an old pair of jeans, and now their time to shine has finally come. I'm sewing them onto the lining, one on each side. Perfect little compartments to hold my phone, keys, lip balm and my patience. Out of nowhere it started raining and that earthy smell, elite. Honestly, this is my favorite fragrance ever. Nature really said, here's a free perfume that no luxury brand can copy. Anyway, Bangalore is Bangaloring again and I'm super happy. Next up, I stitched the main fabric on the wrong side. Did the exact same with the lining too. Next, I'm gonna slide the lining into the main fabric, like soulmates finally reunited after a long separation at the laundry basket. Now, around the top edge, fold the main fabric inward by half an inch, then do the same thing with the lining. Pin them together like you're officiating a very low budget wedding. Do this all the way around till they're snug. Now let's make straps. I cut out 2 straps, each 3 inches wide and 26 inches long. Fold each straps in by 1 centimeter on both sides. Give it a good press like you're ironing out life's problems. Fold it in half and sew it, and your straps will be ready. Now that we are almost done, I decided to take a well-deserved lunch break because creativity runs on calories. I was too lazy to cook, so my husband came to the rescue and ordered a sandwich from his favorite place. Based on real recommendations, I started watching When Life Gives You Tangerine. And let me tell you, it gave me feelings I absolutely did not sign up for. It's one of those soft, slow-burning stories that gently holds your hand and then suddenly squeezes your heart. 1 minute you're just vibing and the next you're sobbing, thinking about your parents' sacrifices, hugging your husband like he's going off to war, and spiraling about your unborn kid's emotional well-being. 10 on 10 recommend if you're emotionally stable or love a good cry with comfort food. Time for the grand finale. Take those straps you made earlier and tuck them in between the main fabric and the lining. Pin them down on both the sides and then sew all the way around. And tada! This is how it looks like. And honestly, I love it. But let's add some details to it. The best part of this bag are the pockets. Like hands down, I was this close to throwing out those old trouser pockets. And look at them now. From trash to treasure. A true pocket to Prada moment. Alright, time to add some artsy flair. I'm using Fevicryl paint and a sponge, dabbing it on a wooden block. Now place it on the bag and press it down. Voila! Block printing in action. The first attempt? Well, let's just say it was abstract art. But second time's the charm, right? Now look at this. I'm pretty much a professional.
I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.